Hey, name's Matt. Welcome to the channel.
Huh?
What's up, man? That dude was leaning through that corner on a scooter. That's awesome. Need to use a signal, buddy. Oh. How long has that low fuel light been on? Huh. I'm just gonna have to hope that I can find a gas station really soon. Otherwise this trip is gonna be regrettably short.
Holy mackerel!
I really need gas. That low fuel level warning has been there for like 10 miles probably. I really don't want to push it any farther than this. Oh my god, though.
I ain't touching that.
236. You know what? I know there's another one. Just another like half mile up ahead. Oh, now for the downside of a jury-rigged tank bag. There's no good place to put it when you go to fill up. Just gonna let that hang then. Car wash. No.
You're crazy?
Am I willing to hop the curb? Willing? Yes. Able?
I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small.
Alright, that says 7 o'clock, which means it's probably 5:30, which means I am 100% going to be coming home in the dark. Cool. We're gonna go. Oh, pulling a no-no, but I don't care.
You're crazy?
Okay, really quick. Wasn't fast enough. How is it that I'm not having to stop at all? I always have to stop on this road. No matter what time of day. It can be 2 o'clock in the morning and I would have had to stop. But this time, this is like the one time that like I actually have just kept going and going and going. And it sucks because I just want to frickin' do my glove heat. Heat glove. Heated glove. Glove heat. Hand cold. Want warm. This person doesn't know where they're going. I guess now I want to see... I kind of want to see where this goes. Except that there's construction going on, so I might get in trouble. I would rather not get in trouble today. Plus... No. Is there anyone behind me? You know what? That might be... That might go to someone's property, though.
What? And ruin all this frustration?
You only live once.
Ha!
Let's see where all this goes.
Ralph is not a amused. You, how do you say, duck?